Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to disable startup program in your Windows 10 PC. So let's take a look. For example, when you're going to start your PC or restart your PC, you will notice whenever you're going to turn on your PC, you will see some apps automatically appear. For example, a Microsoft Team or Skype or TeamViewer or any other apps which is going to be automatically start up, and it's kind of annoying. Also, it's make your PC more slow when it's going to be start up your PC. In this case, you might be want to disable some unnecessary program to not to turn on startup when you restart your PC or whenever you turn on your PC. In this case, you need to go in your device, right click over in this text bar, right click over there and click here Task Manager. When you click Task Manager, you will see there will be a Task Manager appear. In this screen, you will see there is a different tab appear. When you click that, it will direct take to the processes right now, which is going to process. We need to go on Startup tab. Simply click that. In this screen, you will see all the apps start up. Let me maximize it. Now you can see here you will see all the apps whenever you're going to turn on your PC or when you're going to restart your PC. Some of those apps going to be automatically start up. For example, you can see in this screen you will see here PDF 24 background, which is status enabled, starter module that also enabled, most common which is Microsoft OneDrive that also enabled, Microsoft Teams also enabled, and some two apps is disabled. These things, that means whenever I start turn on my PC, those apps going to be automatically turned on, and some of apps will automatically appear in your screen. For example, if you restart your PC, if you have Microsoft Teams, you will see there will be startup program appear whenever you turn on your PC. So in this case, you might be want to disable some apps which is you don't want it or you not need it to enable the setup. So in this case, for example, I want to disable startup Microsoft Teams. So in this case, what you need to do, you just right click over on it and then you will see there will be a screen appear which is called disable. If you click on disable, this is going to be disabled. That means from now, if I turn on my PC or if I restart my PC, that's not going to be start up automatically. Also, you can see, for example, Microsoft OneDrive, I also want to disable. You can easily choose that and right click over it and click here disable. You can see now it's up here disable, and you can easily click here this skin. You can see the status all by categories, like which is disabled or to all will appear in this section. And also somehow or some cases you might be want to re-enable some apps which is you needed or something you necessary you want to set up let enable. In this case, you can easily, for example, this Spotify is disabled, so I want to enable it, so right click over it and click here enable. That means from now, whenever I'm going to restart my PC, this app's going to be start. So in this way, you can easily enable or disable any apps that you don't want in startup. It will save your PC more speed whenever you're going to restart or when you're going to turn on your PC. This will be your PC also be more fast when you're going to disable maximum apps as much as you can. But don't try to disable which apps you need it. For example, I need this apps which is taking a screenshot and some extra like this audio etc. things. So if you needed the apps, those apps, you can easily choose those apps and you can easily enable or disable. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.